Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to create your Namecheap account. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my Namecheap course within my university for free. Inside this Namecheap course, you will learn how to get started with your Namecheap shared hosting, how to manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your WordPress performance in Namecheap. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's see how to create your Namecheap account. Creating a Namecheap account is easy. It all starts with going to Namecheap website using my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/Namecheap. Click on sign up, and now all you have to do is fill in this form with your username, password, first name, last name, and email address. After that, click on create and continue. If you learned something out of this video, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.